Chapter 2, Section 10 is about change expressed as a percent. This is a 2-day lesson, and by the end you should be able to find a percent of change and describe it as an increase or decrease, and then find that percent of error for a measurement. All right, first thing, 2 stores advertise sales on their websites as shown below. Before the sale, each sweater costs $35. Which store offers the better deal, and how do you know? Okay, so if each sweater starts at $35, and this one's gonna give us $5 off, that means we're gonna have to pay $30 for this sweater. The second one starts at $35, but we're getting 15% off. So we have to use what we learned in 2-9 and figure out what that 15% is and then actually take it off. Okay, so I need my part, which is what I don't know, over my whole, which is the $35 sweater, equals the percent over 100. Okay, when I do that multiplication, I find out that 35 times 15 is 525, and then divide by 100 tells me that $5.25 is what I get to take off. Well, 35 minus $5.25 means that I'm only gonna have to pay $29.75. So 15% off is actually a better deal than $5 off. All right, the definition of percent change for your vocabulary is the ratio of the amount of change to the original amount. So we're comparing how much it's changing to what it started as. Okay, I like to call this one no over O, because what you're actually doing, if you look here, we're doing the new amount minus the original amount, original or old, whatever you want to call it, divided by that original amount. No over O. And then because that's going to give us a decimal, we need to multiply it by 100. Oh, sorry, we shouldn't use an X. Multiply it by 100 so that I can change it into a percent. Okay. Percent increase means that the new amount is greater than the original amount. Okay, so that means the price went up. And percent decrease means the new amount is less than the original amount, so it went down. Now you can change, like these are showing, you can change how you do the subtraction, but you don't have to necessarily. If it's a decrease and you stick with the no over O, you'll get a negative amount, and if it's an increase, you'll get a positive amount. Okay, finding a percent decrease. All right, so this tells us it's going to be going down. A coat is on sale. The original price of the coat is $82. Okay, that's the original, so that's our O. The sale price is $74.50. That is our new price. Once it went on sale, it changed to a new price. What is the discount expressed as a percent change? Okay, so I'm going to do this new minus original divided by original times 100. Okay, meaning for the N, I'm going to put in $74.50 minus the 82 that it started as, divided by that 82, and then times 100. Okay, $74.50 minus 82 gives me a negative 7.5, divided by 82 gives me a negative 0.0914, and lots of numbers after that. But once I multiply by 100, it moves my decimal 2 places, and I'm going to say it's about a 9% decrease. Okay, so the new price, the sale price, is 9% less than the original price. Okay, the average monthly precipitation for Chicago peaks in June at 4.1 inches. The average monthly precipitation in December is 2.8 inches. What is the percent decrease from June to December? Okay, this is where original comes in handy, because the original price would be the one that was first or farthest away. So this is our original. This is our new. So when I plug into new minus original divided by original times 100, it should look like this. 2.8 minus 4.1 divided by 4.1, and then that times 100. You are welcome to use a calculator on these because you're going to get strange decimals. This one is actually going to turn out to be about 31.7%. Make sure that if you're rounding these, you're using this wiggly equal sign to tell me that it's been rounded. All right, this time I'm going to find a percent increase. I'm going to switch up the color here. Increase means I should get positive numbers because my cost or my number is going up from the original. Okay, a store buys an electric guitar for $295. The store then marks up the price to $340. What is the markup expressed as a percent of change? So what percent did they actually mark that up? The store paid $295 to get it into their store, but they're going to sell it for more. Okay, so this was our original price that the store paid. This will be the new price when they sell it to somebody else. So I'm going to do new minus original divided by original, and then multiply that times 100. Okay, well, when I do 340 minus 295, I get 45. And then divide that by 295. That gives me the decimal 0.1525423 and lots of other numbers. So now I have to do that times 100 to turn this into a percent, and I get about, because I'm rounding, about 15% increase. Okay, I always like to put the arrow either way, whether it's increase or decrease, just so that I know what I'm doing. All right, last one for today. In 1 year, the toll for passenger cars to use a tunnel rose from $3 to $3.50. So it originally was $3. The new price is $3.50. What was the percent increase? New minus original divided by original times 100 gives us about 16.7% increase in cost for that toll. All right, today's homework is on page 148, numbers 7 through 17, and you're welcome to look at the lesson quiz and see if there's